Hello, and welcome to Global Finance Edge. YouTubers are making bank in 2024. MrBeast topped the charts last year with $82 million, spending $8 million monthly on videos that sometimes don't even break even. The average YouTuber makes about $68,714 per year, which is actually higher than many traditional jobs. But don't quit your day job just yet. You need serious views to make serious money. For every 1,000 views, creators only earn about $5. That means you need millions of views consistently to make this a full-time gig. YouTube takes 45% of all ad revenue, leaving creators with just 55% of what their videos generate. To even start making money, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Gaming, life hacks, and children's content are among the most profitable niches. Ryan Kaji started at just 4 years old, and by 12 was making $35 million annually. Smart YouTubers don't rely solely on ad revenue. They create merchandise, launch businesses like MrBeast Burger, use affiliate marketing, and offer channel memberships. The platform contributes over $20 billion to the US economy, with Americans watching billions of hours of content daily. Want to start? Don't blow your budget on fancy equipment. Your phone works fine to begin. Find a niche you're genuinely passionate about. Do keyword research to understand what people are searching for, and strictly follow YouTube's community guidelines. Most importantly, be patient. The biggest channels took years to build their empires. Your first videos probably won't go viral, but consistency might eventually turn your creative outlet into serious cash.